Yo guys, it's time for an upgrade, so here we go. And this, guys, is the new setup. As you can see, guys, I tried to create a bit more professional look. I tried to create a bit more of a mellow vibe, kind of giving those dark vibes to the actual background. I used to use a lot of color to kind of compensate for the background. Basically, I was using like a red and a blue hue, which create this purple hue on the screen, but I wanted to move away from that, and I actually wanted to create a more depth of field view on the actual screen. So you can see I've got the actual green light at the back there, and I've got the Govee light at the back there, which you'll be seeing at the back, which is, I might change that to a different color, but I do like what it looks like at this moment in time. I can step back. I've got a green screen, so there is a lot more content coming from myself, and I've actually got an angle there, and I've got angles all over the place, so I can actually do a lot more shots for the actual camera and using the camera, because actually I've got a content tree. I've got 7 arms which I can move around, actually maneuver, and kind of get the lighting where I want it to be. This is like the setup I was envisioning, and it's kind of come out better than I actually thought it was going to be. There's a little bit more things to do with the room and set up the studio, like in terms of putting some kind of pictures there at the back possibly, and then I want to kind of get away from that radiator. I might actually put like a frame or something in front of that to give a visual there. I like the depth, I like the color, I like what it's doing, I like what it's producing. Now this is a bit of a test because I want to see how good the lighting is, and I'll showcase a sneaker to see if it actually comes up. And just let me pull out the actual Bel Airs. There you go, guys. Let me see, and that is perfect, guys. As you can see, visuals on deck. I like the way it's hitting that sneaker. The lighting is perfect. It's giving you that absolutely beautiful contrast, not that saturation with that blue and that red that was given in the actual videos previously, but this is a beautiful setup. I'm loving this setup. I'm actually loving the way it looks. I think this is probably one of the best setups at this moment in time for my channel. Moving forward, I might adapt it, like I said, but this is beautiful. So guys, tune in for more views with this background. Tune in for more shorts coming through. I've got a lot more coming through. I'm kind of leveling it up at this moment in time, and I'm just looking to kind of produce as much awesome content, not oversaturating with rubbish. I'm talking about awesome content. I'm probably bringing back the 60-second sneaker news. That's coming because it's giving me a more of an initiative to do that. I kind of stagnated on the 60-second sneaker news, and it was kind of like taking a lot more time, but I felt like it was taking a lot more time because of the setup. Now I've got a perfect setup. I can switch around with the arms and produce anything with this pretty much. And then I would like to say I would give you a visual, but I'm not going to give you a visual of what I've actually done. Go and check out my Instagram if you want to see the actual arm, or the actual content arm. It is awesome. Like, literally got a pole right through the thing. I'm going to try and get the blinds behind me up in the actual reviews as well, and get some daylight in sometimes, so it's going to give you more of a depth of the actual camera, or give more light to the actual camera I'm using, and obviously give you a bit more depth. But I like this setup and actually enjoying how it looks on camera. So the actual test is when I put this footage onto the PC and edit, and if it's going to be great, you're going to actually see this, guys. But tune in, guys. But like I say, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for this little bit of a test, or a test review. But let me know if you like this new background. Let me know what you think. Do you want me to change some of the lighting? I think I might change the Govee light at the back. I'm actually looking at the screen here. I might change the Govee light at the back. I might change I like the green lighting at the back as well. I like that. There's some things I might do. I might put another light there to actually cover the radiator, because I don't like the visual of the radiator, but I like the depth. I like what the camera's giving me, and I'm enjoying what I'm actually done. And the setup has taken me a couple of days to do. So thank you guys for tuning in. This was just a test, guys. Just a test to see. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like this new view? Do you prefer this new view to the old one? Because I think I like this view a bit more, and I'm kind of eager to do more reviews of this. Let me know your thoughts, guys, and I will see you on Sunday, possibly, or the next day possibly, because I've got a special Air Max 95 coming. So tune in for that, guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Peace.